Let us see how to adjust the volume of specific section of the clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what you have to do is that you have to select that audio clip and then go to the effect controls panel, and in here, in this audio volume effect, you have to select this level. Okay, so by default it is 0 decibels. So what we are going to do is that we are going to adjust these values with the help of keyframes. So for example, so let us say I want to increase the volume from this point to this point. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add one keyframe over here for this level property. So I just added it, as you can see. Then take the marker to the end and then add another keyframe, and just between these two keyframes I'm gonna add another keyframe in the middle. So if you play this now, you will not see any difference in the volume, but now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna open this level and then I'm gonna drag this upside, okay, this middle point, like this. And now if you play this, you will notice that the volume will start increasing from this point till this point, and then it will slowly start decreasing from here till here. So let A is here, then we have initialized the value of A and then printed the value of A. So here it is going to print 5. So you can see that the volume got increased because of this particular graph. If you want to lower the volume, all you have to do is just drag this point downwards, and then you will notice that volume will be initially decrease and then it will start increasing again. So let A is here, then we have here it is going to print 5. So you can see that volume started decreasing and then it again increased. You can also adjust these points by adjusting this keyframe. So like that, you can adjust these points as well if you want. That's it. That's how you can adjust specific section of the audio clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.